Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to create columns in your Notion website or Notion desktop application. So the first thing that I want you to do now is to connect to your Notion web portal and sign in with your Google or Apple account, or you can just sign in with your email address. Otherwise, you can just open your desktop application and then follow these simple steps. So here in this example, I have just created this new page so I can show you how to create columns in your pages. So basically, you need to go to a new block here, and then we need to add an object, and it is the column. So to do so, we need to click on this plus sign to add a block or to add an object. We click and it will pop up this menu here. So now we need to search for the column. So basically, all you need to do is to type column. So here you will see these advanced blocks and you will see the type of columns that you can add. So either you can add 2 columns, 3, 4 to 5 columns. You choose the number of columns that you want and you click on it, and basically you will have the columns that will be created automatically. So this is how the first way to create columns. The second one is just to type slash, and you will have also the same pop-up menu and search for column, and you can choose the number of column that you want to add and add them here. The third way is to use empty line. So for example, this is my first line, second, and third line. You can drag a block and take it next to another block, and automatically a column will be created. So basically here, if I go like this, now I have just created 3 columns without using the columns option. I can take also this one and take it here, and I will have 4 columns, 5 columns, and I have 6 columns, and now I have the 7th one. So basically, this is how you can create columns in your Notion page. Thank you for watching and see you next time.